Peeking under the hood of your Camaro can be a lot like cleaning between your couch cushions. You just never know what you're gonna find. That's why in this 2016 Camaro SS, we're going to install this Mishimoto Baffled Catch Can. So this Camaro is a daily driver, which means it gets a little dirtier than most. That's why we want to put the catch can in before we start on other mods. What a catch can does is pretty simple. It keeps the oil vapor from getting into your intake manifold. What happens when that oil vapor gets into your intake manifold is over time it clogs your valves, which will eventually get into your cylinder. Your Mishimoto Catch Can will include a compact baffled oil catch can, a mounting bracket, direct fit hoses with pre-installed fittings, a 1/2-inch aluminum barb fittings, worm gear clamps, and mounting hardware. The tools we're going to be using today are a 2.5mm Allen wrench, our clip removal tool, 11/16 wrench, flathead screwdriver, ratchet, deep 10mm socket, 10mm socket, and a 13mm socket. Okay guys and gals, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna remove our engine cover here. So you don't have to remove your engine cover for this install, but it does make it easier to get to your intake hoses. The first step to do this is you're gonna unclip this fuel line here and just move it out of the way. Next is we're gonna remove the outer parts of your engine cover. And you're just gonna pull. This engine cover has 2 tabs right here that will pop right out. Now we're gonna use our 10mm deep socket to remove the 4 posts from our engine cover. Now we're gonna depress the locking tab on this sensor located near the driver's side and just pull it. Now we're gonna use the clip remover to remove the clips that are on the outside of your engine cover. There's going to be 8 of them. So next we're gonna disconnect our PCV hose from our intake manifold. All you're gonna do is depress the gray clip and pull. And there's gonna be another fitting down here underneath. It's the same thing, you just depress the clip and pull. Next we're gonna secure the fittings to our Mishimoto Catch Can. So once we have these secure, we're gonna snug them up with our 11/16 wrench, but you don't wanna make them too tight just yet. Now we're gonna mount our catch can bracket to the catch can. You wanna make sure that the large bolt holes sit lower than the catch can, like this. Okay. Now we're gonna loosen up those 10mm bolts and then completely remove these 2 13mm bolts. We're gonna loosen up the 13mm so that this strut tower brace is easier to move. Next, we're just gonna lower our catch can and secure it into place along our strut tower brace. Now we're gonna attach this PCV hose to your intake manifold. So you're gonna locate the hose that has a 45-degree angle, and you're gonna go underneath that in your wiring harness, right towards your throttle body, and you're gonna connect the fittings. You'll hear a click once it's in place. And then you're gonna take the other end of this hose, and you're gonna put it on the inside. So now for the other hose, we're gonna again locate our port is gonna be right near this 45-degree bend, and you're gonna wanna go route this underneath that and your wiring harness. You'll hear a click once it's in place. Now we're gonna take our flathead screwdriver and tighten up our clamps. Now we're gonna tighten everything up and put our engine cover back on. Now that I have the catch can tightened up, I'm gonna go ahead and put the engine cover back on. Now that we have the central engine cover on top, we're gonna go ahead and reconnect our sensor. Now all that's left is to pop these into place. This is an easy and inexpensive install that will save the life of your engine. Just remember to empty your catch can whenever you get your oil changed. Thanks for watching.